Hey guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Dominique, and I quit my job last month as a project engineer to start my own trucking company. For today, I thought I would take some time out from being a mom and a wife and get the truck out on the road and get it on the scale and find out how much it weighs empty. All right, so after a quick wardrobe change, we're gonna go ahead and fire this baby up and get rolling. My husband's gonna come with me. He has never ridden with me in the dump truck, so this will be a first for him. And also, it's probably gonna end up on the video. Don't mind the 3 or 4 weeks of garbage piled up in the driveway. Tomorrow's garbage day. And hopefully they actually finally come pick it up. Okay guys, sorry to interrupt, but I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Brandon, who works for Miles Sand and Gravel, that I ran into at the fuel station, who took the time to stop and say hey and tell me how good the truck's looking and that kind of stuff. So hey Brandon, it was great to see you, and hopefully I run into you again. The truck weighed 28,040 pounds, which equals a load capacity of 14.25 tons. The truck and trailer weighed in at 40,760 pounds. Which gives us a truck and trailer load capacity of 32.25 tons. When getting loaded at the pit, I would request 14 tons in the truck and 18.25 tons in the trailer. This way, we equal out to the 32.25 tons. So now that we know how much the truck weighs, we also know how much the truck can carry, and now I know exactly what to ask for when I go to a pit to get loaded. Of course, I definitely could have done that the day of, because you're going to scale in anyways, but at least now I know. Well, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.